everyone, I'm Priyanka Gupta.
Hi guys, I'm Nandini.
Hi everyone, I'm Khushbu Gandhi.
Hello everyone, this is Pragya.
Like I met everyone after marriage. Like it's since 10 years we met. So our husbands have laid a really very good foundation of friendship. So it was on us to
Build
take
it
forward
on
that,
further.
you know. So it was by default, and we were very lucky to have friends like Khushbu and Pragya initially. Then after JCI also had a very good role to play because it serves a very it's a very nice social platform to meet people. After that we met Priyanka and Nandini. So this was the
Fast forwarding 10 years, what would you hope your friendship to look like?
Lot of girl trips, lot of gin tonic water, lot of parties without husbands. We've had enough of husbands and kids. Kids with the husbands, and
And a lot of
definitely-
drama too.
Drama, so we all six bring
Wherever
our
we are
own
there, there is drama
and
everywhere.
bring our own trauma. We have so many coffee dates in which we are discussing this happened, that happened, and then once we walk out of that cafe, we are all like, yeah, okay, fine, bench session. So yeah, I mean, 10 years down the line, I imagine our friendship to be even
Knowing
more
each other
stronger
really
from
well.
today. Yeah.
That's nice. What's something that you. Okay, sorry. What role would each one of you play in the group? Who is the planner, comedian?
Okay,
I
so
would.
I
I know the answer. I'll give myself as a very good planner.
Yeah, she's a perfect planner and she's a perfect comedian.
Oh my God.
Always making
Right now also she can show you something.
Whenever you want to call her, she will just make your cheeks just pain.
Blush, you know,
Yeah,
blush.
exactly. And the cheeks are going to pain.
I actually am very vibrant, so I'll just talk senseless. So they like me for that.
Yeah. And that's
But
true
it is
because
good.
the very
It's
few
a
people
raw
have
personality.
that.
Yeah.
It's good, right? It's her raw personality. But she's a pure soul. Whatever there is there in the heart, it's there.
Whatever it is in the heart or whatever it is in
Just comes
mind,
out,
she's
you
a
know,
just
newspaper of
comes
the
out.
group. You can say that.
So that
About
way.
the others?
Yeah, I mean, I think Khushbu is the fashionista
Yeah.
and Pragya is just perfect.
And
Pragya
she's
is
the BBC.
And she's a very lovely of
She's the
BBC.
And for her, Priyanka, I would say that she's the listener. The absolute best listener that you could have.
She is
to
not the
human
listener, I can tell you.
us,
I
she
listen to her a lot of times. If there's like a 1 hour call, she'll be like the 45 minutes. She's going to speak up. Not
That's
like
good.
that.
No, but sometimes the tables turn.
Yeah.
But most of the time she listens.
But
yeah, 80% of the time I'm just listening.
Yeah.
She's a good listener.
She's a good girl.
So, what's the craziest or the most spontaneous thing that you guys have done together?
For example, this podcast.
Yeah.
No
Yeah,
idea,
yeah.
no
plan.
plan. Today we are
Yeah.
actually showing ourselves really sober and modest, but actually
And obviously
I hope
the
everybody-
weirdest thing we did, we are not going to tell it on the camera.
yeah, it has to be a
It
top
was
secret
actually
which we-
something
yeah.
daredevilish. So we thought of not.
Not sharing. Yeah. It's a mutual consensus.
Yeah.
That's
So
nice.
today we are behaving like perfect ladies.
Yeah.
It's not spoiled brats or girls.
Just like, hello, how are
Yeah.
you? We are not like that.
Okay. So, who is the binding factor in your group?
Okay, I would say
Pragya.
I will give a
Pragya will
lot of
take that
credit.
And
Yeah.
I'm the base of
She's
this.
because see, she's the initiator. So we all follow, we take the bait, but
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
she is the initiator, the person who always push us. Ye karna,
And
ye
moreover,
karna,
she's
yahan
always
chakna.
comfortable with the idea. She has nothing to so no tapping.
It's
Like,
fine.
she
Really managing
Yeah,
it as
so
well.
she
Okay,
after
very
already saying
positive.
yes to this, मीरल का पहला आंसर था तुम सब चीजों पे हाँ क्यों बोल देती हो?
और फिर उसके बाद इसने हाँ कर दी तो मुझे करनी ही
मतलब वो
थी.
minded
It was
was
like
like
that.
that.
अच्छा ठीक है कर दिए ठीक है.
So initially we correct, but
Yeah.
then we appreciate her. चलो अच्छा हुआ तुम्हारे चक्कर में हो गया like that.
But in all, she has a very positive vibe.
The
She's
number
amazing.
of Vrindavan trips that we have taken because of Pragya is
हाँ.
unbelievable.
Cannot wildest
Yeah.
dream कि मतलब हम लोग वृंदावन.
Pragya is blushing, her cheeks are
Okay. So, what do you think that keeps your bond strong even if the life is changing?
I would say definitely our coffee dates. That is one thing, no matter how busy life gets, we always make sure that at least in 15 days we have to meet either at Sidewalk or the recently opened season. Like somewhere we have to meet and we have to talk it out without kids. You know, we have to meet it. And I think that is one
Me
little...
time.
Yeah, and that is
Yeah.
one, and it takes effort because you know for everyone to take out that 4 to 6 ka time. We live in South Kanpur. It's a trouble coming, but we make sure that we meet, and after that session, it's like I think that coffee dates have played a major role. in that.
They actually keep you
They
safe.
keep-
Yeah,
And
it
we are
keeps us
also
safe.
very true to each other. Very,
Very true. Yeah.
So we
try
cannot,
not to
we
pretend
can bitch
at
for
all.
anybody, but we cannot bitch for us.
Whatever it is, we say
We
it on the
actually
face.
have
We're
fake
comfortable.
colors.
We have that
Even
kind of
if we bitch,
communication.
no, even if we bitch, it's just on their faces.
Yeah, yeah. वो बता नहीं देंगे, कोई बात नहीं.
That's true. That's true.
It's as open as this podcast.
Which was the most memorable trip that you guys have gone together, and if you could share a memory of it?
It's still on the
So,
WhatsApp.
for this we can
Just-
say
It's just on the WhatsApp group. It has to log out.
He's just working actually on
Like
it.
we can sit here and plan, but it won't execute. I don't know.
I don't know.
So
So
the art
right
is not
now,
coming out of the WhatsApp. group.
WhatsApp group. Yeah, once it will come, we'll make the reel about it.
We
Planning
make a lot
is
of
very
plans on
strong,
WhatsApp,
yes.
and that ends in WhatsApp only.
Hope it
The
comes out of
execution- it
WhatsApp
does, fingers
soon.
crossed.
It's just the best thing. We all want to travel together.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we don't want to leave anyone.
Okay, so share a moment that you felt that the bond of this group was not just friendship but beyond it.
I want to share an instance for that. So everybody in the group knows that I had my daughter after a lot of struggle with infertility. So, you know, she's a special child for me. But when her first birthday came on
She's
15th
really
of
special to all
October,
of us.
in the middle of the night, 12 o'clock, my entire group with the kids were there, and it was a working day. Next day also was school. We were supposed to leave for Lucknow for the birthday party and everything. Everybody was there singing happy birthday, 10 cakes are there. And it was that moment when I realized that we have actually built such a strong bond that, okay, I'm happy for my daughter turning 1, samajh mein aata hai, but everybody with tears in their eyes that Rubani has turned 1. So yeah, that was I think one core memory of my life which made me believe that no, what we have here is far more than friendship.
That's amazing. So, have you guys ever been on a major disagreement? How did you get a lot of time?
So many times.
It can't be
But
like
I
something.
can't. I would like
Yeah.
to. I would like to sum up like this. It's not a disagreement. I would like to say, we have created a very a open space where we can communicate.
Yeah.
It's nothing like that. The things are coming through and through. We just can go directly
sit and talk, yeah.
and just sit and talk.
Yeah.
So
disagreements
But
happen,
always
but they
we
don't
disagree
last.
on
They
everything,
don't last.
but
Yeah.
at
They
the
don't
end,
last
we
very
have
long. For
something.
example, we are not still able to finalize the destination of the trip. That's one of the biggest disagreement. That's why the trip is not happening.
That's nice. So, if your friendship had a theme song, what it would be? And
Yeah,
why?
I'll have an answer to that. It would be like जाने क्यों दिल चाहता है.
So let's sing it together.
Yes.
जाने क्यों दिल चाहता है, तू है तो I'll be alright.
Perfect. That's an amazing song. And how do you feel or keep your bond alive when you guys are even busy or apart from each other?
So we did the answer already.
Coffee
I guess.
dates.
Coffee dates
Yeah.
are the
Coffee
good
days are the good.
And video calls also on
Video
WhatsApp.
calls.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
make sure that we manage time for each other. Life will always get in the way. Always. You have to do something
have to
with
take our
setting
time.
an intention that this is something that we have to do. So that way.
Okay. So, if you guys had to give your group, connect your group with a movie, and what roles would you guys play from the
a
movie?
lot of I guess you are into movies,
I will not connect it with the movie, but I will connect it with
Series,
one of the most
yeah.
famous series, which is
Friends.
Friends.
Yes.
Okay, so I would say that Nandini is Joey because she's very charming and all of that. Meenal is definitely Monica, always pitch perfect and everything like the perfectionist of the group. Pragya would be Phoebe because she's in her aura and just very quirky in that say. I would give myself to be Rachel maybe, and Priyanka has to be Chandler.
That's perfect. That was very nice to have have you guys here. For the
Thank you so
podcast.
much.
Thank you for having
We
us.
just love
even
we
enjoyed
love
it.
it.
I love
It
it
was
here.
much
It was
very new kind
इनफैक्ट
of
हमें आज
experience.
ये पता चला कि हमारा बॉन्ड काफी अच्छा है.
It's a new revelation.